I'm Heidi Barr. I'm the co-founder and CEO of the PA Flax Project, and we're here today at Pasture Song Farm, planting about 7 acres of fiber flax, flax for linen and co-products. Today is important because it's the largest field of fiber flax we've planted to date, and it begins our planting of about 32 acres this year at 3 different farms, and it will be the first year that we have a mechanized harvest of fiber flax in Pennsylvania, possibly in history, but definitely in decades. So we're super excited to get the flax in the ground and in 100 days to pull it out with our giant harvesting machine.
We're getting ready to calibrate this S drill for 120 pounds an acre for flaxseed, and we're going to seed at about 1/2 inch deep, 5.5 inch row spacing, and we're just gonna weigh out the seed that falls on the tarp and make sure we get close to that 120 pounds per acre.
PA Flax Project was founded in 2020, and we're working to re-establish the fiber flax industry in Pennsylvania and surrounding states.
We started this with what we call a square yard project, where we had individuals grow a square yard of flax in an area that they had access to. And that project alone has created such awareness and such connection with this project that we can really change our cultural identity around natural fibers and just to develop a deeper relationship with everything that we are capable of producing.
After 4 years of Emma and I working toward this goal and being self-funded, our work was recognized and uplifted by the USDA with a Agricultural Marketing Services Organic Market Development Grant to implement our business plan and scale to 4,000 acres annually in Pennsylvania of organic fiber flax. One of the benefits of flax for farmers is that it is an early spring crop. You can plant it even earlier than this if the weather cooperates, as soon as the ground is able to be worked. It's a cool weather crop, and it's a fast crop. It's 100 days from seed to maturity. So farmers can get it in early, sell it, and be able to plant something else behind it in a season. And this year we'll be growing both organic and conventional. So we have a conventional field that will be about the same size as this field here, and we'll be able to do a really good comparison. This is a huge milestone. It's the first significant agricultural scale of fiber flax on the East Coast, and it's the beginning of scaling to 4,000 acres annually and getting us a mill to process that by 2027. We have a great group of early adopter farmers on board. It's an industry that's wide open, and it's a profitable business. Our projected revenue at mill stabilization is $6 million a year. When we reach that mill stabilization phase, which is projected to be in 2030, we will provide about 20 jobs across administration and the mill, and opportunity for up to 400 farmers.
A difference in our model compared to other collectives in our group is that the growers will also have a stake in the profits once it comes to mill processing. And that is huge because all of the money is made after the crop leaves the farm. That was very important from the get-go to both Heidi and myself for equality reasons, but also because I've experienced the shorthandedness that farmers receive. And it's really wonderful to see this crop that, you know, textiles historically have been an area of discrimination when it comes to equality with people and the planet. And so our mission with the Flax Project is to create, grow, and make textiles that aren't just good for the planet, but for people as well.
And I believe that we will have a successful harvest this year and find a path forward.